In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in a LinkedIn post. If you've ever wondered how to make your text stand out on LinkedIn, this video is for you. Let's dive right in and get started on making your posts more eye-catching and effective. First things first, you'll want to log into your LinkedIn account. If you haven't already done that, take a moment to enter your credentials and log in. Once you're in, head over to the home page. This is where all the activity is happening, and it's a great place to start crafting your post. Now, to create your LinkedIn post, simply locate the Start a Post box at the top of your feed. It's a prominent, easy to find feature, so go ahead and click on that. This will open up a text box where you can begin drafting your message. But before we type anything in, let's move on to the next step, which is crucial for adding that bold effect to your text. The next thing you'll need is a tool to help you convert your regular text into bold text. Open up your web browser and in the search bar, type in bold text online. For this video, I'm using Google because it's quick and efficient. As the search results load, keep an eye out for LingoJam. It's typically one of the first options that appear and a reliable tool for this purpose. Once you've clicked and opened LingoJam, you'll see a straightforward interface. Here you'll find a large text box on the left where you can type or paste the text you wish to be bolded. Type your message, and as you do, you'll notice several bold text styles populating on the right. It's a real-time preview of how your text will look. Now you have a variety of bold styles to choose from, whether it's bold serif, bold sans, bold italic, or even bold sans italic. You can browse through the options until you find the one that best suits your needs. It's all about picking the style that aligns best with your message and personal flair. Once you've settled on a style, highlight the bold version on the right side. Right-click and choose Copy. Now that you have your bold text, head back to your LinkedIn post draft. Simply paste the bold text in place, ensuring it appears exactly where you want it to in your message. All that's left to do now is to click on Post. Your message is now live, standing out in bold on your LinkedIn network. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to bold text in LinkedIn posts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.